you go to the github.com/AvinashDalvi89/MyRedBuddy-tool. You can just go to the README and click on the clone, right, and go to the CD and just install the UI dependency using the pip command. You can install this one. To run the your dashboard, you need to go to dashboard, run the npm install and the cd dot. Then you have to configure your Anthropic API. Currently, only Anthropic is supported. So if you can go to the Anthropic API console, you can find your API and paste it in the environment file. How do we start the services? Just go to the base root and click on the Python API.py. It will launch the http://localhost:8000. And if you want to showcase the dashboard, right? Go to the CD dashboard, then npm run dev. You'll be able to see that. So let's look at that, how the dashboard look like. So this is the dashboard which I'm talking about it. Once you launch the dashboard, go to the setup, click on the setup here. This will help you to set up your buddy and you can do that. So how do you do that? You just click on your username of Reddit and click on the import data. Confirm this is my own Reddit data. I'm using the public data. Don't try to utilize your own another user data. Okay, import. So it will import data. It takes a couple of minutes. Yeah. So it has import data around like 50 posts, 109 comments, persona configure, API connected are there. Currently, I'm using AI mode in the CLI because I don't have an API key, but I do recommend to utilize the API key from the console only. Okay. Once you set up that, you can go to the dashboard and you can see the dashboards here. Content summary will be there. Your high performance summary will be there. What are the best tone you utilize and which are the different subreddit which is performing. So, for example, the function programming subreddit is performed well. I got around like 100 votes on the poll. Here you can see the what work and what doesn't work, and you can expand this what work and see that what are the different posts which you have posted on the comment which you posted and how it is performed, right? And what doesn't work, so that you can do it. There are some basic analytic which is given, right? What are the tone performance, like how when you do a data driven tone, when you have a question engagement, how it work, when your topics are in terms of cloud or dev practices, how it to work, and which subreddit actually perform for well, like functional programming, Y Combinator, extensive, like that. It analyze and tell you that okay, which subreddit is good performing well. You can target those to have a contribution towards it. Once that one, you can have a recommendation section where you can have a recommendation. These like simple, good to features like which recommend based on your data, based on your post and comment, what kind of post idea you can post it, which can work and predict the analysis, like how much upload it can does that. Disclaimer, it is just a suggestion. It never give a guarantee of that it will work, but this is how it actually work. You can have the more subreddit option here and click on refresh. It will give you a different subreddit based the recommendation. Then our actual USP feature is called the pre-post checkers. So how do we do that? So when you have a post, some original posts are there. So go to Reddit and copy the post, paste it here, and put your comment draft here. So once you put your comment draft, put the subreddit and click on the validate comment. Once you click on the validate comment, it will start analyzing your draft. And once you start analyzing your draft, it will give you a detailed analysis of that and scoring along with your reputation shield. So I'll talk about it, what reputation shield means that, so you can check out those. You can see that your comment analysis will be there, what is the predictive score, and what is the strength of this particular comment, what is the issue is there, what is the advice is there, and some suggestion based on that will give it. And it also suggests some kind of revised version, so how you can tweak it so that you can have a better engagement, less download on your services. Accordingly, you can have it. So this is the reputation shield, which check out the US low score and the calculate the technical evidence score also. How it exactly work is based on your removed history, based on your download history, and your if anywhere is ban history there, right? How do you get that ban history? You can just go to the removal insight, click on the import data and refresh, and you can add manually some of the log request which content got removed or downloaded, right? And you can have a reason to remove. These are my recent removals, which you can check out that, and based on that data, it analyzes the specific comment. That is how exactly work it. So the reputation shield is there here also, which is you can paste a comment and post and check out that it does a quick check. Also, it has a sanitization checks around that. But I have added this feature inside the pre-post checker itself. So when you do a post checker, it will check the reputation shield and give you a score mechanism. So this is about the overall features. I'll keep on adding the more features. Stay tuned.